Hello guys, once again, welcome. After this card part, we will designing FAQ section. FAQ sections will be like we will designing accordions, right? So first, let's add the heading. We will just write frequently asked questions. Questions. Okay. Let's check what we have given to this. 22 semi-bold. And this is 25. Perfect. Hmm. Nice. After that, we will text what is Netflix, right? And we need icons as well. So let's go to remix icons, our favorite one. We will be using plus, this plus, and then we will using the cross. Oh, let's say cancel. Yes, we're using this one. Okay. Give it a fill of white to this one as well, and delete the frames of the icon. Okay, nice. I think we will increase this to 25, 24, 24. What is this? Same 24, 24. Hmm. Same height, same width for both. Now we want that we will adding auto layout, to fill container, and give it a heading instead of frame 15, like say Q1. Okay. And same for the answer. We want that it should be regular. Now it will be regular 22, and add auto layout. Increase. Perfect. Select both the frames. Okay, once again. We have to change this 15 frame 15 to answer one. Okay, fine. But before this, we will not add to this. We will duplicate this, bring it here. Nice. And like this and this. Now make again auto layout. Give it 0. Nice. Select frame 15. Go to this. Use create component. Then add a variant. Okay. Nice. So we want that. It should be hidden. Add this. Nice. One thing we have to delete this and duplicate this and bring it here. Now what we want is increase and bring it to the center. Yes. Same for this. 20 and center point. Seventy. Perfect. And we have to give some padding here. It's almost 20 10 10. Okay. Give it 15 from the side. For this from the side 15 as usual. Yes, as for same here 15. And I'm increasing the work. I should do it once, then duplicate one. Okay, now perfect. Now we have to give the fill. Give this to fill. Okay, now all this one. Fill. Yes, paste it. Yeah, nice. Now what we have to do is bring it down here. This as well. Okay, so perfect. Now we have to go to prototype. So this select interaction. On click. Yes, we want on click. Action should be changed to and see what is the value. Variant 2. Yes, we want variant 2. We don't want instant. We want smart animate, and it should be like 600. Duration will be 600. Okay, and we want again we have to give an interaction by this to one click. Yes, action to change to yes. We want to default. Yes, we want smart animate. Yes, we want 600. Yes, now perfect. Let's check for the variants. So we want assets. We will go here 15 frame 15. Okay, let's see. We will use this. Okay, fine. But eh, okay, what I do? Okay, I just forget this. We have to change this icon as well. Perfect. Now I'm duplicating all the other FAQs. Let's do it quickly. Okay, I have made all the frames we needed, other components. Just rename quickly. It will be like FAQ1, FAQ2, FAQ3, FAQ4, sorry, FAQ5, FAQ6. Yes, that we want. Uh, Now, mm, okay. Now quickly, first I will remove this, then add this, this, this one, this one, this one, this one. Let's see how it gets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, perfect. Perfect. Now select this, all this, make auto layout, give pairing of 10 and your 5. Okay. And now increase this as per your need. Okay, we want that. Perfect. Perfect. Yes. And we need let's see. Okay. Okay, fine. And the other part, just one part is been left out. The other part we will cover that as well and finish this landing page video.